everybody, it's Vicki from the Briar Patch. Welcome to Starter Kit Saturday. Today I'm going to be making a little project with you using oils from the Premium Starter Kit from Young Living. I purchased my starter kit 2 years ago, and these oils I use every single day. So before we make the project, I'm just going to go over a few basics of oils in case you have never used them and you're not sure how to use them. So what are essential oils? Essential oils are the lifeblood or the juice of the plant. Essential oils are the most purest form of the oil that comes from the plant, and they are highly concentrated. Essential oils support every part of our body, which is great. They actually do something for you. They just don't smell good. Essential oils support the muscle, skeletal, digestive, cardiovascular, endocrine, and lymphatic system, just to name a few. There are 3 ways that you can use essential oils. The first one, aromatically, by using a diffuser or inhaling. If you don't have a diffuser, you can put a few drops of essential oil in your hand, rub them together, cup them over your nose, and breathe in deeply. When you sniff essential oils, the molecules can reach the limbic system in 22 seconds. That's why they are good for emotional support. Essential oils are actually better than burning candles because they're helping the body. There are no synthetic fragrances in essential oils. Like I said, essential oils come from the juice of plants. And like I said, if you don't have a diffuser, you can just place a couple drops in your hand, cup them over your nose, and just breathe in deeply. Another way to use essential oils is topically. Essential oil molecules are very tiny and are rapidly absorbed into the skin. When you apply essential oils to your skin, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to get into your bloodstream. After that, it takes 20 minutes for the essential oils to reach every cell in your body. And essentially, essential oils support healthy cells. Essential oils metabolize out of your body in 2 to 2.5 hours, which is why it's necessary to apply them frequently. A lot of people will apply them once and be like, oh, they didn't work, but you have to apply them often. Some of the popular areas to apply essential oils are behind the ears, over the heart, back of the neck, and on your wrists, and you can also put them on the bottoms of your feet. But basically you can apply them to wherever you need support in. And essential oils are really not oily. They can evaporate very quickly. So it's always good to use a carrier oil. I like Young Living's V6 vegetable oil. It just helps the oil spread over the skin, and it helps spread the oil further. It helps the oils from evaporating too. Some of the oils are considered hot. An example of that is peppermint. You don't want to apply peppermint directly to the skin. You always want to use a carrier oil with that. The third way to use essential oils is internally. And some of the ways you can use them internally are by putting a drop underneath your tongue. You can place them in veggie caps and take them like you were taking a pill. And you can use them in cooking. I like using lime and lemon when I cook. They work really good. Very strong flavor. When I make a salad dressing, I put just 1 drop of lime in, and that flavors my dressing. When it comes to using internally, it just really depends on how comfortable you feel using the oils. Internally, and you have to do what works best for you. Digize, I prefer to apply that topically than to take it in a capsule. That's how it works better for me. It's just basically trial and error. Hey everyone, I just wanted to go over the 3 oils that we're going to be using today in our project. So the first one that we're going to use is the Digize Vitality. And the Digize supports the digestive system, and it blends tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli essential oils. Okay, the next one that we're going to use is peppermint, and that also supports the digestive, circulatory, skin, appetite, hypothalamus, focus, and energy systems. And then lavender. Lavender supports the skin, digestive, respiratory, circulatory, tissue, blood, nervous, emotions, limbic, endocrine, hormones, nerves, wound support, and sleep systems. So those are the 3 oils that we're going to use today in our project. Sorry about the dog barking. Real life at my house. Today we are going to be making a tummy tamer. I've already got my roller bottles ready. I'm making one for my friend Brandy, one for my husband Tom. Brandy used this, my bottle, at work one day. Her stomach was feeling a little off and she asked to borrow it, and within about 15-20 minutes she had relief. Couldn't believe that this worked for her. Next day she asked for it again. So I told her I would make her up a bottle. So that's what we're gonna make today. It's super simple, it's healthy, and I have to tell you, I haven't used one of those little tablets that you take when your belly's feeling a little off. I have not used one of those in 2 years, since I got my starter kit 2 years ago. I mixed this up immediately and I love using it. I use it when my stomach's feeling off. I put a little bit around my belly button. Or if I've had red onions will affect me and I get that burning sensation, I'll just apply a little bit right at the top of my stomach, just a little bit there, and usually about 15-20 minutes and I have relief. So let's get started making this project. Okay, so I have everything all set up to make our tummy tamer. I've got my little roller bottles. These are the little roller ball attachments. I don't know if you can see that. With the lids. Got my oils. Got the lavender, peppermint, and the digize. So the first thing that I'm going to do, to each bottle, I'm going to add about 8 drops of the digize. So let's see. See if I can get this to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do the next one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 of the digize. I decided to make up a blend because since the digize doesn't smell very good, if I'm not feeling good at work and I'm working on a patient, I'm a dental hygienist, I sit very close to them. I did not want them to smell this. So that was one of the reasons why I'm going to add the lavender. It helps, it's very soothing, it's wonderful for the body, but I just like it makes it smell a little bit better. Okay, so peppermint, which is also very soothing. I'm going to put in 2 drops. In each one. There. Okay, lavender. Let's put in 2 drops of this. Like I said, these are very concentrated. You don't need very much at all. These bottles last such a long time. There we go. Okay, so that's it for oils. Next, we're going to top off the container with Young Living's V6 vegetable blend. This is really nice. You're just going to fill up the rest of the bottle with this. This is the carrier oil that helps it spread over the body, helps the oils from evaporating, so they don't evaporate before it can soak into your body. Fill up these bottles. I think the V6 oil runs about $22. It's worth it though. Gosh, I've only used maybe down to here. Okay, so next thing you want to do is apply your roller ball to the top. Now I'm going to stand to do this. I have this little tool, and you can use this tool to pop the bottles off and to put the bottles on. So I just fit that over and press down, and the roller ball goes on. So I put that one on. These bottles I ordered from Amazon. I believe they're the 10 milliliter. There. And you just want to shake it up. And there you go. You probably can't even read that. I made my little labels on with my label maker. And my bottle, I probably only used 3/4 of it, and I've been using it a long time. So you just shake this up, and you're ready to go. So there you go, Brandy and Tom. I have your tummy tamers made up for you. Okay. Okay, let me transition the camera over. Well, thanks again for stopping by the Briar Patch, and I hope you'll give this tummy tamer recipe a try. It's very easy to make, and it works great. So I hope you'll check back next Saturday for our starter kit Saturday, and won't be as long next time because I won't go over all of the oils. I'll just briefly touch on what body systems the oils support of the oils that I'm going to use in the project. So I don't know what I'm going to make. We'll have to find something really good to make. So in the meantime, have a great week, and we'll see you next Saturday.